这是木质素磺酸钠碱水剂，它的碱水率大概是在5%到10%，它的碱水率相对来说比较低，它在使用的过程中可以和耐系磺酸盐一起复配，也可以和聚羧酸碱水剂一起复配。单独使用它的时候，它的用量应该是在水泥用量的0.25%左右。木质素磺酸盐碱水剂、木质素磺酸钠，它除了有碱水作用，还有缓凝作用和引气作用，所以说在使用的时候一定要注意它的用量。木质素磺酸钠除了应用在水泥、混凝土和砂浆里面，还可以应用在水煤浆生产，还有冶金粘结剂里面可以使用。如果说对木质素磺酸钠有需求，可以联系我们。
Comparative experiment on concrete slump. Pour the materials into the mixer. Loading concrete into slump barrel. Initial slump. Test A 1 hour later and test B 1.5 hours later. Slump test results. Through this experiment, got the following conclusion. 1. The water reduction rate of lignin products is low, and the state of concrete is soft when producing concrete with low slump. 2. Sodium lignosulfonate superplasticizer has a certain retarding effect, so its slump retention time is longer than that of concrete with only water. 3. Sodium lignosulfonate superplasticizer can be combined with polycarboxylate superplasticizer and naphthalene superplasticizer.